When it comes to buying a used car, the last thing you want is to get stuck with a model that has engine problems right off the bat. And while many used cars seem like great deals, Consumer Reports recently revealed a list of the 60 least reliable used cars, with a special focus on those with the worst engines. So, before you dive into your next used car purchase, here's a list of the 10 used cars with the worst engine reliability, from bad to downright ugly. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. 10. 2015 Volvo V60, a luxury wagon with engine trouble. Volvo is renowned for its safety and luxury, but the 2015 V60 is an exception to that rule, particularly when it comes to its engine reliability. Despite its reputation for sturdiness, the 2015 V60 has been plagued by issues with faulty piston rings. These bad rings cause a rapid breakdown of internal engine components, leading to costly repairs. In fact, some owners have had to replace not only the engine, but also the main and secondary batteries multiple times. The 19 out of 100 reliability score from Consumer Reports highlights how bad the situation is. While the V60 may seem like a safe bet for a luxury vehicle, its engine problems might make you think twice. 9. 2022 Volkswagen Taos, new model, same old problems. You might think that a newer model like the 2022 Volkswagen Taos would be free of major engine issues, but unfortunately, that's not the case. This compact SUV has been plagued by engine stalls, which occur both at stoplights and even while driving on highways. That's not only an inconvenience, but also dangerous. To make matters worse, the Taos suffers from oil consumption problems, as well as transmission issues like rough shifting. These issues have caused it to earn a disappointing 5 out of 100 reliability score from Consumer Reports. Despite software updates and recalls, owners are still facing frequent breakdowns and costly repairs, making this a hard pass for those looking for a reliable vehicle. 8. 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe, engine failure. The Santa Fe might be a good-looking SUV, but it comes with one major flaw: engine knocking. This issue stems from damaged bearings, which leads to engine failure. While Hyundai did issue a recall to replace faulty engines, many owners still experience problems, with some needing to replace their engines altogether due to the damage caused by these knocks. Oil leaks that drip onto the exhaust often go unnoticed, making the issue even harder to spot before it causes significant damage. With a 20 out of 100 reliability score, this Santa Fe is definitely one to skip if you don't want to get stuck with massive repair bills. 7. 2012 Subaru Forester, a crossover that burns oil. If you're a Subaru fan, you might want to think twice about purchasing a 2012 Subaru Forester. Despite being known for their ruggedness, the Forester has been plagued with oil consumption issues. Owners have reported needing to add oil at every fuel stop due to the engine burning oil at an alarming rate despite no visible leaks. This issue is so widespread that it has caused a number of engine rebuilds, with some owners racking up repair costs of up to $8,000. Additionally, catalytic converter failures linked to the oil consumption problem can result in failed emissions tests, further adding to the costs. With a 4th place ranking for the most likely vehicle to require an engine rebuild, the 2012 Forester is best left to the die-hard Subaru enthusiasts willing to face the potential headache. 6. 2021 Kia Soul, small car, big engine problems. The 2021 Kia Soul may look quirky and fun, but the engine issues associated with this small SUV are anything but. One of the biggest problems with this model is its piston rings, which fail easily and lead to significant cylinder wall damage. This issue has been so widespread that some owners needed a complete engine replacement after just a few thousand miles. But that's not all. The Soul also has known issues with its auto start-stop system, which can cause the engine to stall at traffic lights or fail to restart altogether. While you can get a new engine under warranty, this isn't the kind of hassle you want to deal with for a car that's already pushing the limits of its class. Engine failures and oil leaks that can cause fires? No thanks. 5. 2017 Buick Encore, turbocharged trouble. This may look appealing as a compact SUV, but it comes with a 1.4-liter turbocharged engine that is known for its poor reliability. One of the most common issues with this vehicle is turbocharger failure, which typically happens well before the 100,000-mile mark. When the turbo fails, the engine struggles to accelerate and becomes sluggish, leaving you with an expensive repair bill to replace the turbo. But the problems don't stop there. Owners have also reported ignition coil failures, which lead to erratic engine performance and even complete engine engine shutdowns. With a lackluster reliability score and costly repairs, the 2017 Buick Encore doesn't make the cut as a dependable used car. The fourth, 2018 Jeep Wrangler off-roading with engine leaks. The Wrangler is well known for its rugged off-road capabilities, but unfortunately it has some major engine issues that may leave you stranded, even off the beaten path. One of the biggest issues with this model is engine oil leaks, which can lead to overheating and eventual engine failure. The cooling system can also fail, making it even more difficult to prevent overheating, but the problems don't stop at leaks. Electrical issues with the engine have caused misfiring and stalling, even in the middle of off-road adventures. This Jeep received a disappointing 11 out of 100 reliability score, and while it may look like the ideal off-road vehicle, it's probably not the best choice if you actually want to make it back home. 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, an eco-friendly disaster. This was supposed to be the go-to vehicle for eco-conscious families, but it has turned into an absolute disaster for many owners. The hybrid battery is the main culprit, often failing early in the vehicle's life and causing the car to go into limp mode. Once this happens, the hybrid system becomes inoperable, leaving the car stuck and unable to drive. Replacing the battery can cost thousands of dollars, making this one of the most expensive minivans to maintain. And if that wasn't bad enough, there have also been reports of fires caused by faulty charging ports, prompting another recall from Chrysler. With a reliability score of just 5 out of 100, the Pacifica Hybrid is one family car you'll want to avoid if you don't want to get stuck with costly repairs. Number 2, 2019 Audi A6. A luxury sedan that will cost you this is a luxury sedan that looks sleek and performs well on paper. Unfortunately, its 2.0 liter and 3.0 liter turbo engines are known for a number of serious engine problems. Alternator failures are common, leaving drivers stranded with dead electrical systems. But the issues don't stop there. Owners have also reported problems with bearings, pistons, and even bore scoring, which ultimately require engine replacement. These repairs can be exorbitantly expensive, especially if you're outside of warranty. Even smaller repairs, like replacing the alternator, can cost far more than the average car part. Despite its plush interior and handsome looks, the A6 is one luxury car that could end up costing you far more than it's worth. A reliability score of 7 out of 100 tells you all you need to know. Number 1, 2021 Chevy Suburban, the worst of the worst. This tops the list of cars with the worst engines, and it's not hard to see why. This powerful family SUV uses an American-made V8 engine that is, in theory, supposed to be bulletproof and easy to fix. However, the 2021 Suburban has been hit with some serious engine problems stemming from its outdated V8 blueprint. GM attempted to make the engine more fuel efficient by adding a complicated active fuel management system that relies on faulty lifters. These lifters often fail, leading to engine misfires, severe damage, and even complete engine failure. While there are several recalls for this model, GM hasn't issued an official recall for this issue, likely due to the high cost of replacing engines across the board. With a reliability score of just 7 out of 100, the 2021 Suburban is undoubtedly the worst offender on this list. Stay far away from this one, especially if you don't want to deal with extensive repairs and the looming threat of a complete engine failure. Have you had any engine nightmares with your used car? Share your experiences in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car advice and tips that will help you make the best buying decisions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.